about making money blogging? Want to pursue it as your career? Many of us think that blogging is a quick way to make a life-changing income, but it's not as simple as you think. For this video, we came up with a complete and comprehensive guide to help you understand it and to give you a path to blogging money. Generally, expert bloggers guide beginners who want to write about their passion or area of expertise. But this isn't the only factor that helps make a comprehensive blogging website. If you follow bad guides, it can even take years to earn passive income through blogging. But don't be disappointed or lose hope. If you follow the right path and know all the relevant facts, you can start to earn passive income in just a few months. So, now you're here and want to make money blogging. But first, you need to change your mindset and start thinking like a businessman or businesswoman who sets a business and its rules and paths. In a blogging startup, you have to be clear about your directions, instructions, niches, and everything related. Remember that blogging is not a hobby, but full-time entrepreneurship that you develop and then run according to market growth factors. According to surveys, 90% of bloggers fail to earn their passive income through passive sources. Everyone dreams of making money from blogging, but they don't spend consistent time at their blog. Now in that situation, they fail or earn cash after years of irregular efforts. According to the experts' advice, if you want to have a successful blog, focus more on the system created, as it's the key to success. You have excellent writing skills, but it's secondary to the comprehensive system development. Making a blog will make you the business owner, not just a blogger, so it comes with a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders. Since we cared about you, we came up with a complete guide that covers every aspect, including content creation, keyword research, SEO factors, marketing, affiliate marketing, WordPress blogging, and much more. So keep following the rules and make a successful blogging site. Now let's dive into the step-by-step guide with expert opinions and experience. How to make money blogging in 2022. The first and foremost essential fact of running a successful blog is that you know how to make one and start one up. Many of us know about the basics and dig into the vast and saturated field of blogging. When starting with a blog, it demands a hosting and domain name. Choose the hosting with competitive market rates. Now in 2022, you have plenty of options for hosting a blog. Search for them and then compare their capabilities. According to our advice, you can get the hosting from HostGator, Bluehost, and many more. After choosing reliable hosting, host your website through WordPress. It'll provide you with enough features to make your affiliate blog site, e-commerce site, and informational blog. You may think that just hosting on WordPress is enough for making a blog, but you need to invest some money in the relevant plugins. Scaling a blog to money-making capacity is a challenging task, so we'll guide you through scaling your blog by choosing the right niche, setting up monetization, and helping you make more than $100,000 a year. It's possible by monetizing your blog. So let's move further in and see the essential steps. Number 1. Choose your blogging niche. This is one critical step that bloggers should consider. Many bloggers think they can write in their favorite niche and become successful. However, think carefully with proper research beforehand before choosing the blog niche. According to surveys, 95% of bloggers fail due to choosing the wrong niche. Keep in mind that some bloggers fail to choose the right niche because they lack enough passion to pursue it. You may think that if writing about a passionate niche is not correct, then how can you develop an interest in an uninteresting niche? The best answer is to choose your specialty niche after you find an interest after researching. If you search on Google why bloggers fail, you'll get similar results due to lack of passion. However, many experts don't accept this statement as they have their own experience. But, according to our experience, we suggest creating a blog with passion and seeing the results. You may find many examples of bloggers who write about their desirable niche and make money through blogging, so yes, it's also possible. For example, you can make enough money if you're interested in traveling, food, or a trendy niche. But again, it also demands effort and proper research. Some bloggers make their blogs to satisfy their writing hobby, so they don't want to make money through it. However, there is a massive difference between expert and beginner bloggers. So, if you want to write as your hobby, then you may not want money through it. Ensure that you choose your blogging niche with proper research, experience level, and area of interest. There's a massive difference between blogging from the past and blogging in 2021. Now you need to strive hard to rank in the top position of search engines or Google Analytics. Make sure to transfer your blogging skills into a business owner mindset, then feel the rise in your success. Choose the blogging niches according to their potential, market demand, and professional leverage. These factors in your niche will lead you to have a money-making blog. If you choose the non-lucrative niche with a low-value audience, then it's not fruitful. Don't forget to consider network leverage and strategic connections, as these are essential factors to choosing a profitable niche. Here are some facts and research that you should consider while choosing the blogging niche. A. Keyword research. Keyword research is the heart of finding the right blogging niche and making money. Unfortunately, many bloggers take it for granted and don't put their time and effort into finding a suitable blogging niche. Keep in mind that proper research is the key to every successful blog. The keyword's primary purpose is to find how many people search the niche you want to build. For example, suppose you choose the blogging niche and think that the research process stops. You should never believe this. The actual keyword research journey starts now. Every individual blog article on your website has to focus on one keyword that potential readers search for. In 2021, keyword research is easy since you have plenty of SEO tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and many more. All these tools will give you proper states and keyword metrics, so choose your blog niche with proper research and keyword metrics. B. Use your professional experience. Now here's the second method to find a blogging niche. Wait and think, where does your professional expertise come from? Just think or brainstorm. Many of us find our blog niche with keyword research, and they only believe in that method. But some may still be confused and want to think more about it, so it's better to do some brainstorming to find the appropriate blogging niche. Some bloggers, mostly hobby writers, are already clear about their blogging niche. After that, they can start their blog with passion and start writing. It's time to use your professional experience and make a new blog successful. Enlist all the niches you're interested in, and you can talk about them freely. It'll help you think about every niche and decide whether or not it's a good niche for your blog to make money. Enter in all your interest fields like camping, movies, businesses, and many more. Write down a precise list that you can think about separately to make a clear decision. The second method is to think about all the magazines, books, and blogs that you read and find attractive. Next, enlist your jobs and experience in different fields that you have from the past. Your actual job is often the best blogging niche, or your hobby could be your blog topic. So the idea is to brainstorm about your experiences and hobbies to find your blogging niche. Once you have the additional research and general blog niche ideas, shortlist them with your professional experience. C. Make sure it's profitable. Now for the last but not least factor. Ensure that your selected niche is profitable, and it's only possible in two conditions whether you can stick and be consistent with the chosen niche for a longer time. The second is to make sure your potential readers have the same interest in your blog topic. When you have some blogging experience, you can find its profit at the same time of niche selection. However, if you're a beginner, you also need to figure out the profit of a particular niche before digging into it. The most expert and creative professionals can successfully make money from any niche, but only if they have the potential audience. Some highly competitive niches always make more money, no matter how big the monetization of your blog is. Now, if you have a clear picture of your blog, then again, it demands more research. Look at your competitors' blogs and find out how much money they're making. The profitable blogging niche is always easy to rank and gives more blog options to create and target your potential readers. The profitable blogging niche is also easy to rank and gives more blog options to create and target your potential readers. Also, you can check CPC for the selected niche keywords so you can check how profitable that niche is. You can use Keyword Planner or Ahrefs. Number 2. Scale content creation and build relationships. You may hear that your blog will rank or scale up in the first 90 days. The beginner bloggers wonder how it's even possible. But yes, you can earn more money by scaling up your content creation and building out relationships. First, you need to remember that you're a business owner, not just a blogger. Focusing on writing quality blogs and drafting them is old advice that has worked in previous years. But now, in 2021, you need to focus on all the aspects to scale up your blog. We're not saying that writing doesn't matter, but focus on scaling your blog from the startup and build your credibility in the market. One essential way to scale your content creation is to find a professional writer from Fiverr or another freelance platform. You'll get plenty of writers willing to write the blog posts and spend time on your blog to make it effective. A. Outsource content creation. It's wise to share your writing burden with quality content creators. Outsource content creation by considering the following 5 components: guest posts, outreach, outsource, and backlinks. Outsource content creation to relieve some work and to allow you to focus more on monetizing the blog in your initial launching days. Outsource content creation to relieve some work and to allow you to focus more on monetizing the blog in your initial launching days. Keep in mind that quality written content is not enough. it's helpful to concentrate on the other aspects too. Additionally, hire the creators or writers with the best reviews from reputable platforms. It'll give you the security of quality content for your blog. Also, try to choose an expert content creator in your blog niche. B. Build relationships with affiliate managers. Now, the key to scale your blog is by forming relationships with affiliate managers. Of course, affiliate marketing will increase your blog income, but you also need to understand the central theme of having such relationships. First, when you have relationships with affiliate managers, you need to provide continuous value to the other partner. Don't just think about the benefit of having a relationship with affiliate managers. You also need to help out the other party so they can grow as well. These affiliate manager relationships will give you significant benefits, especially when you want to scale the value of your blog and to earn high-quality relationships and strong backlinks. C. Guest posting. Guest posting plays an essential role in scaling content creation and building backlinks. Therefore, every expert blogger advises beginners to make a page on their website to accept guest posts. We also agree with this advice. This is one of the most important parts of link building. 3. Build a successful sales funnel. Building your sales funnel is also a critical step in performing blogging. Unfortunately, many beginners don't know about the sales funnel and its importance in their work, so they don't focus on building the sales funnel that leads their blog towards success. However, understanding the sales funnel is not challenging. Here's the proper way to build your sales funnel and earn passive income through it. The sales funnel of a blog has 5 key areas that lead the users towards the path of their end goal. First, many of us just focus on scaling up the organic traffic of our blog, so we choose the low-priced offers in online courses, affiliate programs, sponsored posts, digital products, and many more. However, as an expert blogger, we advise you to choose the expensive offers to have a lucrative way to monetize your blog in starting days. Keep in mind that the traditional formula applies here. Invest more in the beginning and get more revenue later. When we have the new blog, we also have low organic or inorganic traffic, so spend more to get the valuable offers and compensate for the lack of traffic with high monetization tactics. 5 proven ways to monetize your blog. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Did you know about affiliate marketing and its potential to earn money? Affiliate marketing is recommending products or services to potential readers. You give the link to the audience and get the referral commission at every single click. For example, when you refer your friend or family member to a particular store and they buy something from them, as a reward, you get the bounce card as a benefit. Another example is when a friend of yours opens a bank account at your reference in the same branch, the bank will give you the same bounce card for free. Similarly, affiliate marketing helps you get commission, or bounce, on every sale through your referral link. Now, there are plenty of affiliate marketing programs that you can join. Every niche has a relevant affiliate marketing program to join and publish their links for getting commission. Affiliate marketing directly boosts your blogging money. 2. Sell digital products. Everyone can sell their skills, give practical advice, and impact other minds. Selling digital products on your blog is another way to monetize your content. Show your best. It helps you prove your credibility with the readers, and they can choose your products. It looks easy, but it's a very challenging task. You should have convincing enough abilities to make online communities and earn potential profit. Unfortunately, many people think that they can get every digital product for free, but that's a myth. Nothing is free in the digital world. Choose a product that is relevant to your potential visitor's interest. 3. Consulting. Now, the following method to monetize your blog is by consulting. It's a skill that many of us already have and just need a little bit of polishing. When we have experience in a field, we can provide its consulting services. Therefore, it's not a difficult job for an expert in a particular field. Number 4. Display ads. This is the most common and traditional method to monetize your blog in less time. First, you display ads that every beginner blog believes. When you have a small baby vlog, you have low organic traffic, but you need a lot of traffic to display ads. Many experts say that it's the best way to monetize and earn money from the blog, and we agree with that statement. However, you do need to get bigger to optimize. It's a great way to monetize a blog. 5. Sell a course. You may wonder after seeing this factor in monetizing a blog, but you can make an impact full of profit by selling a course on your blog. When you're an expert in a niche and make a blog relevant to it, you can create professional and quality blogs. The potential reader will enjoy seeing or meeting with the expert to answer all their queries. The best way to help them and meet with your fan readers is to create a course for them. Give them all the critical information that allows the audience to follow and respect your advice. So how much money can you make blogging? This is one of the crucial questions that everyone wants to know. How much money can you really make by blogging? The actual amount of money that a blogger can make depends on their capabilities. However, if we talk about successful bloggers, they can make up to 7 digits of income per year. On the other hand, many fail, and new bloggers may not make a single penny through blogging. In general, blogging has the potential to give you more than $100,000 per year, but this is impacted by all the factors, including your content creation quality, blog monetization, niche, and much more. By summing up all of the above discussion, you have a pretty comprehensive guide. Ensure that you select your blog niche according to the factors mentioned above. It'll help you increase your potential revenue per year. We hope this video will help you learn how to make money blogging and scale it up to $100,000 per year. Finally, we wish you the best of luck with your blog and earning passive income to fulfill your dreams.